Hello, good evening. Gutom na ba? Wala pa? Gutom na. Okay, so in order to start, no? Welcome kayo mo tanan here sa tuang Pandanyag Festival na mo here sa La Libertad for our Festa dinner. Tonight we have like friends, classmates of Kong Josie on one table. We have like friends from Dumaguete, friends from everywhere. And then we also have our mga bands and artists because tonight we have, I think, 6 bands who's gonna play later there sa Muang Music Festival, and then about 4 or 5 DJs pud nga mutukar until early morning. So you're all invited there sa atong Pandanyag Festival. Before I ask si Pastor Danny to lead the prayer here, can I also ask si Kong Josie here to give a few words to welcome us all? Adelina, dito ta? Ay, alang sa higher.
Yes, thank you to our future congressman. So this is indeed a very exciting night, especially that I value all your friendship, and we have classmates from way back batch. Do I have to mention?
Ayaw na lang mention.
Ayaw na lang. Kaya mailhan na ta, mga booking ta. And of course, from the campaign period, the campaign, which I'm always very proud of them. So this is, as I've said, a gathering of friends and forging of new friends as well, and new partnership maybe. So especially with the agro, what's that atong ngalan yan? AMGA, no? They're the experts from the agricultural industry, which even at this point are already, we're coming out already with plans on how we can help the agricultural sector, especially at this time when food security is the most needed, no? Thing that we should do. And of course, we have with us, I'm honored also to have the former Congressman Manny Iway, the father of MM. No? He thought that last week was the fiesta, so he was so excited already, he wanted to come. Kaya pista na lagi ni ko, dili pa yun ng MM, karon pa. So, next week pa. So, anyway, so thank you, Manny, for traveling all the way from Dumaguete and to be with all of us here. And of course, the band, you have the music and fun night. It's a fun night tonight with all the music that we'll be enjoying and experiencing. Although it might not be by genre, tama ba? Genre, but makarelate naman gihapon ko. Makakonect na gihapon ko sa walay wifi. So to all of you, enjoy the evening, and let's enjoy each other's company. Good night.
Thank you, Ate Jos. So can I ask si Pastor Danny to come forward to please lead the prayers? And also I would like to recognize the former mayor of the municipality of Manuyod, no, si Dr. Felix. He is also here, no? Thank you for coming, Doc.
Salamat kayo Ginoo ining magkahuluganon nga higayon. Diin ang matagusa kanamo karon nagakatigom sa pag-imbita ni Mayor Iway. Salamat sa imong pag-uban o pag-iya kanamo. Nagaampo kami nga sa kanunay imong ipasinati ang imong pag-iya ni Mayor sa iyang pagdumala ingon nga mayor o sa iyang future nga plano alang sa iyang politikanhon nga tinguha. Kinato Dios, ikaw magpalampos kaniya, ilabi na sa iyang tinguha nga makaalagad sa katawhan nga mas lapad-lapad. Ubani kanunay si Congresswoman Josie Limkaychong sa iyang padayon usab nga pagserbisyo ug sa iyang bag-o nga plano na usab karon. Kinaot Ginoo nga ikaw magalamdag, magahatag sa kaalam sa iyang kinabuhi aron magapadayon sa pagserbisyo sa imong mga katawhan nga nagkinahanglan sa padalagad. Panalangin ni ang matagos sa karon nga niya magaambit nining pagkaon, hinaot nga kini nga mga pagkaon makahatag og dugang nga kusog ug kalig-on sa among panglawas ingon man sa kalig-on ug pagtuo namo diha kanimo ingon man pagsalig nga dili mo kami pagabiyaan ni pasagdan sa tanan namo nga mga paningkamot sa kinabuhi. Kining tanan among gipasalamatan tungod sa among Ginoong Kristo. Amen.
Thank you, Pastor. Okay, so I think ang food is ready here. Bon appetit. Enjoy the food. Night 2 buffet tables there. So, pili lang mo asa. Ladies first pa or kung ano eh? Sige, ladies and seniors first. Sige.
Selfie. What's up?
Lagi. Dadoy. See? Can see the eyes?
Und der Haifisch, der hat Zähne.
Silang din.
After a good meal, we change the venue and make our way to the concert to get something on our minds.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my video channel, leave a like, share with friends, and leave a friendly comment. Thank you.